This is the National Weather Service in Lincoln, Illinois with a multimedia briefing for the upcoming winter storm that's going to affect a large portion of the Midwest over the next couple of days. The main weather highlights: the winter storm warning has now been expanded further west and northwest and covers the entire forecast area for today into this evening. We had an area of snow develop across areas northwest of the Illinois River last night that deposited 2 to 4 inches of snow, and additional snowfall was the reason we were expanding the winter storm warning further west and northwest, and it covers all of our forecast area now. Snowfall of over 6 inches likely southeast of Interstate 55, with totals as high as 8 to 12 inches along and just north of Interstate 70. That'd be mainly today into early this evening. 5 to 6 inches likely from Interstate 55 northwest. These are storm total snowfalls. Once the storm winds down, pushes off to the east of us tonight, increasing north and northwest winds this afternoon through this evening will produce extensive blowing and drifting snow with near blizzard conditions in many areas. As the storm moves away, Arctic high pressure will settle in, and the combination of the very cold temperatures and gusty northwest winds will produce life-threatening cold wind chills. Wind chills of 25 to 45 below zero will be common. The actual air temperatures will remain below zero for about 36 hours. This is this morning's weather map. Low pressure across Arkansas and a large area of precipitation to the north of the frontal boundary is in the form of snow, and we expect this area to continue to expand northeast this morning with a light to moderate snowfall encompassing most of the area during the morning hours, with the potential for some heavy snow bands to form just north of this low track, which by noon is expected to be over western Kentucky. And so we'll see some locally heavy snowfall amounts or snowfall rates across east central and southeast Illinois, even the possibility of some thunder snow associated with this storm system as it pushes northeast. By late this afternoon and this evening, finally the low pressure system is far enough off to the east of our area, so the snow will taper off to flurries, but unfortunately the gusty northwest winds will continue to produce near blizzard conditions with considerable blowing and drifting of the snow across much of the area. And to make matters worse, temperatures will be falling rapidly late this afternoon, will be well below zero tonight, with wind chills anywhere from 25 to 40 below zero by Monday morning. Here's the forecast snowfall for today. Now let me point out that the snowfall we have up across the northwest is in addition to what has already occurred from last night. They already had 2 to 4 inches, so another 2 to 3 inches is possible in these areas. As you can see, as you head east of the Illinois River, the snowfall totals pick up considerably. 5 to 8 inches across the Interstate 55 corridor, with some 9 to locally a foot of snow across parts of east central and southeast Illinois, with the potential for some thunder snow down in southeast through east central Illinois later this morning and especially this afternoon. The blowing and drifting of snow today will cause near blizzard conditions right into the early this evening. Wind chill warning is in effect from midnight tonight through noon Tuesday. These are forecast wind chills tomorrow morning, Monday morning, well below zero, as you can see, anywhere from about 35 to 45 below zero. The actual temperatures: Monday morning lows of 12 below to 20 below zero, with afternoon highs only 5 below to 12 below zero. Tuesday morning lows around 15 below zero. Some locations on Monday may see their coldest high temperature on record. So needless to say, some dangerously cold wind chills are on their way. And after the snow winds down late this afternoon and tonight, the very cold air mass will settle in across the area, with the gusty winds not really subsiding until probably Monday night or early Tuesday, at the earliest the way it looks now, and only a gradual moderation in temperatures seen as we head into the second half of the week.